I've been doing this for 30 years and these are my go-to fuel line tools. I have all the other ones, but none of them seem to work. Okay, always push in and push in with that. Boom, done deal. Some of these can be rough. Sometimes I have to take a pair of pliers and push on them. Sometimes we have to do something like this, push on it. They get gunk built up in them, and then you have to just work them before you can get them to come apart. Now, Ford fuel filters are some of the worst, and you have to be patient with them. Best thing you do is just spin the filter inside the deal and keep working it like I'm showing you. Don't ever force it because you'll mess up that clip inside there and you never get it off without cutting everything apart and risk damaging the fitting. There you go. My quick tip for today.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.